Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The conflict of two giants is a fresh and epic confrontation that is unfolding in the high-stakes world of ultra-luxury motorhomes. On the one hand, we have the renowned engineering and craftsmanship of Prevost, a brand that is known for its excellent custom work and smooth ride. However, we also see the aggressive, high-performance, and ferociously sumptuous DNA of Brabus, a company that is renowned for pushing the boundaries of luxury. The fictitious 2026 battle Brabus versus Prevost luxury motorhome is expected to be an incredible battle between modern, unrepentant extravagance and traditional luxury. They are competing to become the best billionaire's home on wheels. Going beyond the traditional motorhome and becoming a real land-based private jet. The 2026 Prevost private jet dream on wheels is the pinnacle of luxury mobile living. Constructed on the renowned Prevost bus chassis, this remarkable vehicle offers a travel experience that was previously limited to the sky and is a manifestation of luxury, technological innovation, and custom design. It seamlessly combines the unmatched comfort and style of a high-end business jet with the unwavering strength and smooth ride of a Prevost coach. The private jet dream on wheels would be impressive from the outside. The boxy form of a standard bus conversion would be far off from its design. A smooth, aerodynamic body with a perfect, mirror-like finish, possibly in a high-gloss pearl or a special metallic paint, is what one might expect. The windows would resemble the panoramic viewing ports on a plane, be huge, frameless, and possibly curve into the roofline. A futuristic, monolithic appearance would be facilitated by concealed LED illumination and the absence of obvious handles or seams, because of its strong foundation and cutting-edge air ride suspension, which would guarantee a magic carpet ride experience on any road. The automobile would have a commanding yet elegant attitude. The dream becomes a reality in the interior. It would seem like entering a first-class cabin as you stepped inside, yet with the roominess of a penthouse suite. The arrangement would be completely unique, emphasizing the creation of separate areas for working, eating, and resting. No cost would be cut, and the materials would be of the finest caliber. An ambience of sophisticated elegance would be created with hand-stitched leather on all surfaces, exotic wood veneers with exquisite grain patterns, and accents of polished metal. Ergonomically constructed custom furniture, such as a cozy sofa and reclining lounge chairs, would provide the utmost in comfort on lengthy trips. There would be a smooth and thorough technological integration. Everything in the environment, including the entertainment and security systems, lighting, and climate, would be managed by a single, user-friendly command system. With a retractable 8K OLED screen and a specially created sound system that creates a theater-like atmosphere, the entertainment system would be a focal point. A fully furnished office suite with cutting-edge teleconferencing features and secure satellite internet will enable the discerning professional to operate effortlessly while on the go. With its upscale integrated appliances and aesthetically beautiful yet practical design, the galley kitchen would be a chef's paradise. With a king-sized bed, plenty of closet space, and a spa-like en-suite bathroom, the master suite would be a tranquil haven. The bathroom itself would include heated floors, upscale fixtures, and a sizable walk-in shower with massaging jets. More than just a car, the 2026 Prevost private jet dream on wheels is a mobile luxury estate that gives its owners the flexibility to roam the world without ever sacrificing the amenities and luxuries of a luxurious residence. It is for the person who expects the finest, and it is a living example of how luxury, technology, and superior engineering can coexist. In the realm of ultra-luxury recreational vehicles, the fictitious 2026 Brabus hybrid motorhome stands out as a conceptual titan, fusing the eco-conscious efficiency of a contemporary hybrid drivetrain with the renowned performance and custom workmanship of Brabus. This motorhome is more than just a car. It's a mobile performance suite made for the most discriminating customers. Every element of it, from its commanding exterior to its finely built inside, demonstrates unwavering luxury and power. A characteristic of Brabus's design philosophy, the Brabus hybrid motorhome would have a threatening yet graceful appearance. The body would have powerful yet elegant lines. The standard color scheme would probably be black on black, with carbon fiber accents and distinctive Brabus badging. The car would be aerodynamically designed to make a striking visual statement in addition to being fuel efficient. Perhaps in a special design for the motorhome, the enormous, custom Brabus monoblock wheels would highlight its performance history. Its designation as a luxury RV would be instantly apparent, indicating that this is a Brabus-engineered device rather than your typical mobile home. The luxury RV title of the Brabus hybrid motorhome is completely fulfilled inside. The rolling penthouse would be a custom haven, painstakingly constructed from the best materials. Every surface, from the walls to the seats, would be covered in hand-stitched leather upholstery, most likely in a quilted design. The usage of brushed aluminum highlights, carbon fiber trims, and lush alcantara would all exhibit the Brabus touch. With the layout's high degree of customization, owners might create a mobile office, a cutting-edge entertainment center, or a calm bedroom suite that perfectly suits their needs. With a centralized, voice-activated system controlling everything from the lighting and climate to a fully furnished gourmet kitchen and an entertainment system that rivals that of a movie theater, the smart features would be extensive. The bathroom would have luxurious fixtures and a roomy layout, making it a spa-like sanctuary. To create the ideal atmosphere, Brabus would also use its renowned ambient lighting, which comes in a variety of color schemes. What distinguishes this motorhome is its hybrid feature. The Brabus hybrid RV would combine a strong internal combustion engine, likely a huge V8, with a strong electric motor, whereas a conventional RV could prioritize fuel economy. This hybrid technology would allow a stealthy, all-electric mode for discreet transit through cities or campers in addition to providing enormous power for effortless driving and acceleration. An advanced electronic system would control the hybrid powertrain, guaranteeing peak efficiency and performance. Additionally, the car would have Brabus's trademark performance upgrades, such as a specially designed exhaust system, a suspension that has been adjusted, and a strong brake system that can manage the weight and size of the vehicle. Because the car is custom-built and has the Brabus brand, the price would fall into the ultra-high-end luxury range. With a price tag that reflects its exclusivity, bespoke craftsmanship, and use of premium materials and technology, it would be a true one-off or limited edition series. It would be for the person who need a special blend of uncompromising elegance and exceptional performance, not the typical motorhome customer.